Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. As we continue this series of gifts that you can give out for, I'm in Dubai, so people get to travel for summer and take gifts home, or a housewarming gift or a wedding. I'm going to show you how we're going to decorate this wooden holder for the spoons that we made in our last video, that we decorated in our last video. And I'm going to show you how we're going to decorate it. And for that, we are going to use our resin, of course, and then the MEYSPRING Mermaid dust, mica, and then the other mica, MEYSPRING Opulent Tanzanite. That's like a navy blue. The tray is so that it pulls under the cup turner, pulls all the poured resin out so that we don't have wastage, so that we can sort of reuse what we're already using so that there's less wastage. And of course, a little sunshine gold to bring out the brightness of this very Mediterranean summer beach themed kind of colors that we're going to use today. And if you like this and all the others I've been sharing with you, please, I think for this period I have so many interesting wedding gift ideas that you need to check out my playlist, my resin playlist, or the wedding playlist, because I have very interesting ideas for you to make, to see how we make it, and to order if it's something that you'd like to have. So keep watching. As we do this, I'm going to wear my gloves, my face mask, just getting protected. So keep watching. This is very quick. If you've liked these videos, you know what I've been sharing recently, let me know even in the comment section below if there's something you'd like to see. And subscribe and press the notification if you haven't yet done that. And to see more of these, different colors, these sets in different colors. I don't always manage to do full videos on YouTube, but on Instagram I share some of these short form films more often. So please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. this has been curing, and I think it's cured enough, it pulled enough. So I'll show you how I'm going to use it in our lampshade. All right, this is cured enough, so I'm going to switch it off, and then we are going to remove it from here. And most of the time I will put it upside down. Let me show you. I'll put it upside down on this to continue curing, so that let me show you how to continue curing, so that I don't make a mistake of smudging it, you know, thinking it's all okay, but it still needs a little while. So I just pull it off, and then I place it in here on the stand like this, and I still cover it. See how to cover it until it cures. And so you can see how this has pulled, and because we have latex, it should be okay for us. The wood or the bamboo won't have this. I'm finding it interesting how, okay, right now I wish I hadn't put the white under here, because we would have been seeing the wood. Although I'm glad when I put the white it wasn't too random, so it doesn't look bad. But I'm thinking the next time I will make sure, I think I will not put the white, even though I want that translucent. I'd rather have wood than the white, and opaque. I'd rather have the white than I'd rather have the wood or the bamboo than the white. Then I found it interesting how all the colors pulled to the middle instead of having the you know, like the stripes, but it's still quite interesting. I love the effect that it has. It's like all the colors pulled to the middle. That's so funny. And I know it does that in a tray. I didn't think it would do that on a jar, on a cup turner, but it still looks awesome. And if you like this and other things I share with you, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. And to see how I put this together, I'll show you how this looks when it's off this and upside down, but to see how it looks with the cup, with the spoons that we made, follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspire, so that you see that on my Instagram. God bless you, Barakatella. So watch how it looks when I've removed it from here. See you next time.